how to new smart lock is connected with the mobile application. Just press star hash, scan your finger, administrator finger, the setting is open. Press number 3 for the setting, press number 5 for the configuration mode. Here is the app mode, press number 2 and then press hash, and going into the application and your application, there is the directly coming, just see. Also you connect your 4G network. See, it is fastly connected automatically. Then press done. Here you can come back to check this is connected properly or no. You have to check with the application. Just press ringing bell, then you get the notification. See, it is fast, and also it is unlocked. When you unlock from the mobile, it is unlocked. After few seconds it will lock automatically. Okay, and also here is the option for the temporary password. Just go into the temporary password. This is the online password. You can generate this password from the far, and this is the time limit password you can add, and here you can generate minimum 7-digit password by yourself. It's not possible generate randomly. Also you can generate by your own. 1123654, and here you can write name of the person, and also from the effective time you can select the expiration time, and then press OK. And also you can give them the time duration per day, from morning to evening, like this one. And also you can select the days. These are the selected days, these are unselected. Only in these days the lock will work. Before saving the password, you just make copy, because this one you cannot see again. Now you can copy this, paste, and also check is it working or no. See, it's working, and only the effective time that we generate there in that duration only this will work. See, here we got the notification unlocked by the password.